Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we're gonna be discuss the continuation of our session in strategic financial management. So today our topic is strategy implementation. Please hold on. This is one of the crucial topic you may be encountering in your career. So strategic implementation techniques. So when I say techniques, that means a method or a way to uh, to ease or facilitate the strategy, uh, implementing the strategy, putting strategy in action. Okay, SI, strategy implementation, refers to the process of putting formulated strategies into action to achieve an organizational goals and objective. So, putting the variables to achieve the result, no? Like man, machine, method, materials, money. While strategic planning sets direction, implementation ensures the journey is effectively undertaken. So implementation involves aligning structures, systems, resources, and culture to support execution. So the gap between strategy formulation and execution is often where many businesses falter, underscoring the importance of effective implementation techniques. For the purpose of our discussion, so after studying this SI technique is to understand how organization can successfully translate strategic plans into operational action. So it aims to highlight practical tools and approaches that bridge the gap between intentions and performance, ensuring strategic alignment across various levels of the organization. Our main point here is strategic alignment. So aligning is organizational structure. So when we say structure, the reporting, the communication, like the resources, man machine method, and culture, how people can effectively do the job, no? And employ roles with the strategy. So who will be the pointer, who will be the checker, and then who will be the doer. Who will be the doer? Ensures that all departments and individuals are working towards common objectives. Second point is communication strategy. Clearly and consistently communication strategy across the organization. The pre-plan, the plan, the ongoing, the monitoring, evaluation, and then feedback. So the strategy involves leader translating vision into understandable goals for employees. Another is resource allocation, another point. Prioritizing and distributing financial, human, and technological resources effectively. So that means the talent, for example, in the production, the process engineering, the test engineer or the product quality engineering, the maintenance, and then the supports. Then budgeting, the capacity planning play a key role. Yeah, budgeting. So that means the salaries, resources, the extra head, overhead. Performance management system, PMS, developing KPI, key performance indicator, monitoring tools, logbook, checkbook, check and balances, and balance scorecard to track progress. Encourage accountability and adaptive response to challenges. Who will be responsible? The leadership on that area. Another point is change management, that's managing resistance and fostering culture of adaptability. So change, we have to go to something that we haven't been before. So it involves stakeholders engagement and continuous training. So that means the management. So leadership, another point is leadership and governance. Strong leadership and active government structures are vital. So active means participation. Example, if these resources, no financial resource, something to buy. So leaders drive commitment and model behaviors necessary to for success. Another point is continuous evaluation and feedback. So this is the correction, the error, the error. Regular review implementation status and impact. Enables course correction and continuous improvement. So the validation of this strategy implementation according to Kaplan. Companies using balanced scorecard strategy implementation. So improve performance by aligning business activities to the vision and strategy. Similarly, study by Bienyak found that 70% organizations fail at strategy due to poor communication, unclear responsibility, lack of performance monitoring, highlighting necessary of systematic techniques. So, for instance, Apple's successful implementation of its innovation drive strategy is rooted in its tight integration of strategic planning with resource allocation and talent management. Member resource na, and talent. By aligning R&D investments, product development, marketing efforts with a unified strategic vision, Apple consistently delivers groundbreaking products like iPhone and Apple Watch, ensuring market leadership and brand loyalty. So application, this can be applied for the strategy execution using techniques like OKR, objective and key result. Sometimes they call it KOKR, implement expansion or diversification techniques. If people knew what objective they will act like, if they knew the results expected of them, apply those in public sector policy implementation, government agencies adopt project management frameworks and KPIs to ensure public service strategies are realized. Apply also in the nonprofit. Use logic models and theory of change frameworks to implement social impact study. Apply also in startups. I apply agile management and iterative planning for fast-paced execution of market entry strategies. The value of this is effective strategic implementation, translate abstract goals into tangible results. Take note abstract, that means big, no? Not clear. It ensures that organizations is agile, that means flexible, accountable, and aligned with its strong long-term mission. Mastery of implementation techniques enhances organizations' ability to remain competitive, fulfill stakeholders' expectations, and achieve sustainable growth. In conclusion, SI is the critical piece that determines whether strategies succeed or fail because everything lies on the implementation. Techniques such as strategic alignment, clear communication, performance management, and adaptive leadership ensure strategies are effectively operationalized. Organizations that invest in robust implementation framework are better positioned to realize their strategic ambitions and adapt to changing environments. We cited this from uh, Evinia, Kaplan, Osidi, Visa. For inquiries, you can call this number. Okay. Thank you for having with me, and I'll see you soon.